Hi guys, my name is Zach from Humes Gaming, and today we're continuing part 2 of our our bike vlog. So let's go. Dude, why are you swerving over? That's straight. Just follow me. Okay. Sorry about the sun. It's nothing we can do.
How many beaches are there?
4?
4 beaches?
I think so. Yay! Oh, bumpy. We get on the smoother grounds here. There we go. There we go. Some crows, some finchy birds. Oh my God, that's big. That's a big squirrel. So yeah, part 2, continuing. We're just out going to Levine to see if they're home. And then we're gonna take a ride over to the Vex. Since I don't think they're home either. Ryan said he's gonna go over to a friend's house, so I don't think. Oh my God. Yo. Big pothole. I just ran into you. Nope. They're way up here. Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna see if they're home. I'm gonna go home, grab some bats and tennis balls and go play 10-ball, which should be very fun. If you guys don't know what 10-ball is, it's pretty much baseball with the tennis ball. So it is fun. It's a fun game. We like to play it because we don't have to hit baseballs with it and have to worry about someone getting nailed. So. Whew. Yeah, we're just out here seeing if anyone's home. Just getting out of the house, get some sunshine. That's not it. I think they're right down here. They're on the left, so. I think so. On. No. No. I've actually did work for these people right there. I did work for them with the Vex. We went over, did some yard work for them. And then we played hide and seek because what? Okay. I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. See that basketball? That's right. That's their house right there. So we're here. I guess we could probably pull in. Now, this is gonna be a short vlog. We're gonna probably pull into their driveway. I want to see if they're home. I don't want to get too close. I don't see anyone. There are cars here, so that's always a good sign, I guess. Yeah, I don't think they're home. They might, no, maybe. I don't know, I can't really see. Alright, let's take a slow ride over back home. And we're gonna be playing some 10-ball. Good. Back on the road again. So leave a like and a comment, guys, if you guys like these bike vlogs. I enjoy doing them myself. So just leave a like. And I know my whole channel is made for gaming, but I thought it would be a good idea if I throw in some vlogs. Just keep you guys notified on what's going on and what's going to be uploaded. So it's a way to keep you guys notified. It's pretty much why I do them. And it's just different because not really people go out on their bikes and vlog. So Yeah. It's trying to be different, guys. Gotta get up this hill. Woo! It's very hot out. It's not hot, but I'm hot with this jacket on, but it is 55 degrees about 55. No clouds in the sky. It's a beautiful spring day here in PA. It's nice weather. Got people out doing some construction. In the last video, these guys are out fixing something up there on above their garage. Yeah, everyone. And there's no car. How many cars have we seen driving? One, two? One or two cars. That's Allie Fredrickson's house right there. But it's really all we've seen. No one is out. It is so weird. I don't know what's going on when no one's out. And it's good. Oi! Don't you see the keep right sign? I'm gonna slow down here. Alright, go left. We're gonna go to the house. Oh. Nope. I said we're going to the house. Okay, you made the wrong turn. You should be coming. Yep, there he comes. Ah! Swerve. Skirt, skirt. We're back. I think you need to fix the brakes on this thing.
No.
They don't work that good.
No, you don't need to stop.
It takes forever to stop. No. That ruins your shoes. Yeah. It's gonna...
Make sure the bike's put away properly.
They will be. That's gonna be the end of this one. We're gonna play some 10 ball and maybe get a fishing vlog in then. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you next time. Bye.